Yes.
Oh, sorry. Hey guys,
What the heck?
it's Rita, Alicia, and today we have Reese's. It's the flavor of the month, and it's Reese's.
Yeah, Alicia ain't waiting.
It's extreme.
This is like the whatever.
So it's the Reese's peanut butter cups with Reese's Pieces in it.
Let's
Yes.
try it. I wonder what it is.
Reese's Pieces peanut butter cup blizzard. I just spilled it all over the couch. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Can you hold this? Can you hold this?
Told you not to spill it.
Oh, I got it all over my shirt.
Wait, you better clean that. We're gonna have an ant.
Oh my gosh.
Why is it?
Anyway, blooper as I
hot?
spilled chocolate all over myself.
Why is he like so?
I know. Daddy's is really dark. Alicia's is middle. It's like
So mine
I spilled it all over me, but go ahead.
I'm really disappointed.
Oh my gosh. Just forget it. I give up.
So, cause the Reese's, you know the Reese's, the M&M ones.
M&M ones.
Well, you know what I mean.
Reese's Pieces.
Yeah, Reese's Pieces. I'm disappointed because inside of them it just tastes weird. But I do like it. Yeah, this isn't Reese's Pieces. So I will give it 10 out of 10. I love it.
You love it? Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I can see you have it all over your nose.
Daddy, I will feed you
What?
so you can give it a review.
Ready, set.
I like the Reese's Pieces in it. Definitely has that Reese's taste.
It's very strong.
I really like it. Taste it. I really like it.
100.
I spilled it all over myself. I got a big mess over here.
100 out of 10.
I really like it. I think it's great. I missed this whole review that you guys did because I was spilling it all over myself.
Ah!
Good.
Yeah.
It's good.
I like the flavor, but
I got to change my shirt because I have chocolate all over me.
Right?
I don't like
What? You have it all.
candy coating when it's hard
I
inside
do.
ice cream. So
Where do
I knew I wouldn't like it.
Yes, you have ice cream all over you. And anyway, the way this is just a family review that's kind of all over the
Gone
place.
wrong.
It's a
Gone bad.
family review gone bad. This is reviews gone bad. Only on Fox. Bye.